Hello student, in this video lecture we are going to learn advanced structure modeling. Now we will see what is link and association. Link is relation between the two objects, whereas association is the relationship between the two classes. What is object? Object is the instances of a class. Similarly, link is the instances of association. What is association? Association is communication between the classes. They can be either unidirectional or bidirectional. Association shows how two classes can communicate with each other. They can be either unidirectional or bidirectional. Now, what is binary association? A binary association is a bidirectional communication that has arrows on both the ends. Okay, every association has an association name, multiplicity, qualifiers, aggregation, and visibility. Visibility is of three types: public, private, protected. Every properties and methods have visibility like public, private, and protected. A role denotes the purpose with which one class is associated with another. A role name is a name that uniquely identifies an association. That means a role denotes the uniquely identification of association. For example, professor and seminar, these are the two classes. Professor has name, contact number, and email address. These are the attributes of the professor. And get info is your method. Seminar has seminar name and waiting list attribute. Add student, drop student, and display. These are the methods of seminar. Okay, in this example, assistant is the role. Okay, that means it uniquely identify the association. That means uniquely identify the communication between these two classes. Okay, assistant is the role of these two classes. Okay, and in this example 1 and 0 indicates the multiplicity of the classes. Okay, one professor delivers 0 or many seminar. That's why here we take 0 and star. Star indicates that many. Okay, that means a professor delivers 0 or many seminar. Cardinality or multiplicity specifies the multiplicity, how many instances of one class may relate to an instances of an associated class. Okay, symbol and their meaning. 1 indicates that there is only one and only one cardinality of the class. 0 and 1, it indicates 0 or more. Star indicates 0 to many. 0 star from 0 to many. 1 to star from 1 to many. These are the types of cardinality. There are 7 types of association: qualified association, OR association, n-array association, association class, recursive association, order association, and last one is your navigation association. Now we will see these types of association in detail. First, qualified association. A qualifier partition the set of objects across an association. The qualifier rectangle is a part of association, but it is not a part of class. Why we use a qualifier in qualified association? Because qualifier helps to uniquely identify the records. Okay, for example, class A. Okay, and qualifier is used to used to uniquely identify the records. Okay, and class B, for example, student and college. One college has many students. That's why here we take star and one. That means one college has many students. Okay, and how we uniquely identify the students using their PRN number. That's why here we take the PRN as a qualifier. Second type is your or association. It is the case when only one of the several available association may be initiated at a time for any single object. Okay, for example, class A, class B, and class C. In this or association, we take or we satisfy only one condition at a time or single object. Okay, in this example, student only take the admission for the MBA or MCA. That's why here is an or association. In this example, only one condition is true at a time. Third, n array association. It is the association among more than two classes. Okay, when there is an more than two classes, that time there is an n array association. Next, fourth one is your association class. An association represented by a class to add attributes and operation to that association. This association class is used to emphasize the relationship between the two classes. Okay, that means association class is used to give relationship between the two classes. Okay, class A and class B. Okay, these are the two classes, and class C shows the relationship between class A and class C. For example, company and person. Okay, these are the two different classes. Okay, when person working in a company, that person will become a employee of that company. That's why employee shows the association class. That means it will show the relationship between the company and the person. Next type is your recursive class. It defines an association from class to itself. It is possible to connect class itself. Okay, class A is connected to itself. That's why here is an recursive class. Next, order association. It is used to represent link between the object which have a specific order. That means every object arranged in a specific order. Okay, class A, class B, and class C. It is in a specific order. Okay, but in this example, we take only two classes, class A and class B. It is in the form of order association. Okay, for example, ticket reservation is your class A. Okay, after filling the details and make a payment, after that we will get the confirmation of the ticket. Okay, it is in a specific order. Okay, next, navigation. It is used to mention the direction of association. Okay, navigation is used to give the direction of the association. By default, association are bidirectional. Okay, the absence of an arrow implies that the association may be navigated in both the direction. In this example, there is no array. That's why here is an bidirectional association. Thank you.